rock, a little thin stuff and glue it.
The back of it will be hot.
So, or, yeah, 18 inches. What do you think?
Because like I said, you're going to have to put something on the back of it.
So that's going to make the front of it. Let's see how, what? Oh my goodness. Where's the, how'd you paint them?
You'll pay me back.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing? Huh? Little Smoky, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Are you a good little boy? Huh? Are you a good little boy? Okay. Well, I couldn't. That thing was pushing my foot off.
Just pick it up.
Yeah, I would just carry it. Okay.
She told me rest.
When you're ready. Ready? Two, three.
No, it's angled.
Back in the slot. Okay, all right. Well, slide it over to your wing, just right there. Ready? Oh. Yeah, go for it.
What doing? What doing? Come here. What doing? What doing, Smoky? Huh?
Bring me the door and the.
I'm gonna take that one. Yeah, you did later. Eat it.
This thing. Just in case you want to watch the fire. And then this right here. Fix the flue, and it'll go up. Hand me that level.
That should twist.
It might go right up by it. Actually, just like that right there. How about that? It'll go right up through there. All right. Cool deal. Alrighty.
Get over here, like. Now we can play. Oh! Easy. Now. What was it? What was it? Huh? What was it? Come on. Hey y'all, Top Knot back here. No, kidding. Look who made it to the outpost. Smoky. He did. He's a good boy. I surprised Dad with him. Well, everyone was in on this. Kyler, Steven, Ray, Landon, we were all in on it. I actually zoomed past Dad on the interstate. He had absolutely no idea because I just knew I had to get this puppy. and get him up here. And then I said, Dad, do you have the camera? You need to videotape taking your new stove in. And he said, well, you know, I do have them. I said, well, guess what? Go ahead and have them out, and you should videotape the stove. That would be a really good idea. When all reality, I knew the old pup was gonna come.
She is a shyster.
I am. We actually got him on camera. He had no idea the puppy was here, so it was a sweet little moment. And this little booger is gonna be rotten. Are you rotten? Are you rotten? Here you go. You wanna get down? Ready? Go. Where you going?
What? Get you. I'll get you. What? What? Are you a good boy? Huh? Are you a good boy? What? What is it? What is it? Huh? You a good boy? Hmm? Hey.
It's okay. You're one down. There you go.
Let me finish it.
No.
I'll get the other two. Jennifer.
Oh yeah, Mama, Ginger got the good hands. You all, it's nap time at the Outpost. Little Smoky realized that he's tired. So he's gonna lay down and go night-night. Not night-night, but night-night. He's a good boy. As you can tell, we have a sleepy baby back here and two rugrats that just want Papa's loving.
I got 3 posts done. I ran out of 2.5-inch lag bolts, so I'm going to have to get some more. I think I've counted 17 posts left that I'm going to have to do. Of course, some of them will be easy because they'll just have a one-way. But Jennifer's going to take the dogs home so that I can go up to my neighbor's house and finish drilling the holes in the pieces of angle iron that I've got cut, so that it will all be ready, because that's actually what I'm doing now, putting the angle iron on so that I can start framing out the walls. And she said that she was going to look and check and see if she could find some repurposed windows and stuff like that, because when I go to laying the walls out, I really need to know.
Why aren't penguins friendly at a party? They find it hard to break the ice.
Shut up.
Oh, me. Anyway.
Tell you what, guys, this light that was sent to me right here, this tiger light, which is the hat that I have on, this is the bomb. I mean, check this out. Not only is it a nice light, okay, but you stick it on the side and it sticks, you know, wherever you want to put it. But anyway, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to set this brick on the inside. Got 10 of them. I wasn't sure how many it would take. Trying to figure out the best way to put those in. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to make myself a concrete pad and sit up here and elevate this thing up some. I don't think it's a good idea to sit right down on this Dura rock. I think it needs more elevation because of the heat it will generate. But in the meantime, I think what I'm going to do is put some 8-inch block, set it on top of that, because I can't really pour concrete in lower than 40-degree weather because I don't have any way to heat it. So that would work in the meantime until I can get next spring and get something built where it actually sits on top of that. But yeah, this is going to be nice. Alright, I got one cut at an angle to go in right here. But we have to see where halfway is going to be. Alright, I got another one cut on an angle, and we're going to have to determine where that gets cut. I think right about there. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, we've actually got this one cut now. So it can go in. And then that one will go in. Okay. Well, I actually went ahead and cut all those pieces. I had them marked, and this one right here in the center, there's a little bit of a hump in there. I may try to take a little bit more of that out, but I think what I'm going to do is get just a little bit of sand and put it in the bottom of that, and that will level all of those up. Anyway, I've got those all cut. I'm going to have to take them back out because it'll make it easier to lift up. But so we got some fire brick in there. The guy that I got it from said, well, you don't have to have fire brick for a buck stove. Well, you may not have to, but I've got some. I just think that it would do a whole lot better in holding the heat and doing much better than, you know, it being right down on the metal. So anyway, all right, well, we got that completed. I've got to get some material for the flue. Like I say, a lot of this is just going to be temporary so that I can get some heat in here, because I am going to, like I said, build a box for this to sit on, and then I'm going to take and go around the edge of this with probably some 2x2, and then I'm going to lay stone in here later and concrete, but I'm going to wait until it is warmer outside, and then whatever kind of platform that I build, I'll bring the rock up to it too. So I think that that's going to work great. We hooked up everything on the stove. It works wonderful. Got a brand new gasket in it. These panels you can actually take out and put glass in there. Of course, I don't have any. I can have to get some made, but yeah, it's going to be really nice. It's also got a fan in the back of it that you can actually plug in, and it's got a high and low, and it comes out here on the side. So the heat, because this is like two pieces of metal welded together with a dead air space, and the dead air space heats up, and then you blow it out here on the side. So anyway, my grandfather, he used to be a dealer for buck stoves. I think this is one of the older models, but they are great stoves. And then the way you shut this, of course, is like that. This goes here, turns to the side, and then here's your vents down here. All right, cool bean. I'm going to take a break and eat my sandwich. Well, needless to say, it started to rain, so I had to move the cameras in. Again, I apologize for not having too many angles. Makes the video a lot better. Sometimes you gotta have three hands. Go up about an inch. Make 2 passes, and I get it level. That way I don't lose too much lumber. And I also make 4 good slabs and most of the logs. Are you helping? Are you helping? Are you helping? Are you gonna help? Huh? Are you gonna help? Huh? Are you gonna help? Okay. Are you helping? Huh? What? Here. You want it? You want it? Did you get it? Huh? Did you get it? You want it? You want it? Did you get it? Right here. Right here. Come on. Right here. Alright, come here. You want it? You want it? Okay.
What are you doing? I see you.
We thank you all for following. We are incredibly blessed to have you all, to know you via the World Wide Web. Please tell all your family and friends to check us out. Hit that subscribe button. Give us some love. And as always, stay safe. And we'll see you back here at the Outpost real soon.